Isa-isa guys, isa-isa. Ayan guys, ang mga anak ni Moira. Ang mga anak ni Moira. Pinagkukumpulan nila ang nanay nila. Ayaw ipakita yung suso. Doon eh. Pumunta ka doon para sumunod eh.
Very competitive one between these two sides. You see contrasting style of play. One from one team, they want to go inside because of their sheer size. I kick out, but also openness. Of course, you have one team that wants to go fast, but definitely shoot better outside.